G'day folks, welcome to the channel. It's that time of year. It's our annual Christmas ride with the group of guys I ride with. This year we're heading on down to Orbost area. So I thought I'd just give you a quick run through on what I'm taking and a little bit about the trip, what we're in for. This is a 4-day ride. We're starting in Melbourne, heading up here through Omeo down to Orbost. So it's all in that corner of Victoria. 4 days of high country riding, and this is what the setup is for my bike. I have the Mosko Reckless 40s on the back, I have the small Enduristan tank bag, and that's pretty much it, and my backpack. So just quickly what I am carrying, I have all of my spares in this side, so tools, spare tubes, all tyre changing gear, any spares that I'm carrying, a couple of levers, whatever, that's all in this side. With a bit of luck I don't even need to touch this side, that's the plan. The other side is just my clothes, some pub clothes for the couple of nights that we'll be staying in pubs. So this side, at the end of the day, I park the bike, pull out that one pannier and take that away, and I'm done. I'm just keeping my my drone in the small 8-litre Mosko top bag, so that's easy to remove and get to. You could almost kind of ignore that as far as the ride goes. If I was camping, this top bag would simply be replaced with a small like a 20-litre duffel with my tent and camping gear and whatever into that. So that's how I would camp with this setup. The tank bag, that's the track notes on the top, just a bit of a summary of where we're going, and inside has my visor bag, camera, batteries, charging bits and pieces. On the dash we've got the GPS, we've got the UHF, in here goes the little remote for this camera, so I can see it when it's on my helmet and easily control it from there with my thumb. And there's not much else to tell you. That's it. It's 4 days of stuff in there, as well as the main pannier bags. Those like the main containers. There's these other small little pockets as well, so I'll just quickly show you what's in that. The bottom one is kind of attached to the Mosko, that's part of it, and in this side I just carry a spare air filter, and in the other side I've got myself a 1.5 litre fuel bottle, just an extra 1.5 litres, so there's like 30 kilometres range, and that will cover me just in case the high country riding is a bit much for the 17 litres. It's a 320k track that we've got planned. 17 litres should do it, but you never know with high country, there could be backtracking, so this is just a bit of an insurance policy. The other two ones on this side, I keep a small first aid kit in there, so it's just easy to get to, marked as such so people know it's there. And on the other side, it's just big enough to hold a spray jacket. I just carry a lightweight spray jacket for this ride because it's not going to be cold, and we're not expecting rain, so I'm just carrying just a lightweight one. So that's pretty much it. This trip was it was originally planned a couple of weeks ago. It was the weekend that we had snow in the Alps, so early November, and there's snow. We called it off that weekend and we postponed it. So we're looking at sort of mid-20s this weekend, which should be awesome. So 4 days of riding. Hopefully I'm going to get some great footage. We're doing a lot of sort of signature tracks, I suppose. We're doing Dedix track, we're doing Cobras, hopefully, if we can get across the rivers. Lots of really cool places. Hopefully I'll have some decent footage for you, and they will be the star of another video at some point in the future. Thanks for watching. It's just a quick update. So ride safe, and I will see you in the next video.